We've got probably 500 people or more here today, coaches, and over 100 that are represented by the Southeast District. So it's a big day for hockey here in Washington. I can't underestimate that.
A hockey player likes hockey films, trips away from home, practice session with pucks, hot showers, whirlpool baths, intercepted passes, assists on goals, and the satisfaction that comes from being part of a perfectly executed scoring play.
Hi, Eddie.
How you doing, George?
Great to see you.
Good to see you. Welcome to Washington.
Matt used to play for us.
Way back when. Got rid of me, I think. Traded me.
It doesn't mean I didn't like you, Maddie. I just didn't like the way you played.
One of the best players to come out of the United States ever. It's my honor and privilege to introduce my former teammate, Mr. Eddie Olczyk.
Yeah, right? 7 out of 220 countries?
Yes, it is, Eddie.
We won't tell anybody that, maybe like 204 of them didn't show up. But I do tip my hockey helmet to all of you for giving up your time. I know exactly what it's like